So put that in there.
Okay, I'm gonna show you something. You don't use that side of the knife. That's why you have that side.
You don't want the little plastic fragments in there?
Well, no, that also dulls your knife. Oh! I did it again! Oh my God!
Eat it anyways.
Oh, he did it again! If I can only dull my knife up, how would I do it?
Use the back of the knife.
Good idea. Good thinking about using the back of the knife there, Jer.
I'm catching on, man. I'm a slow learner.
It's okay, buddy. I still love you.
So we got that all set.
He just talked about using the back of the knife. Man. Did he?
How many times has that been?
I don't know, like 5. I'm not counting. I'm not counting. Hey, thanks for watching. You want to see more cool videos like this one on Dad's That Cook? Make sure you subscribe. You want to win some really cool stuff? Subscribe. You want to get notified? Make sure you know what's going on? Subscribe.